Golf and Jetta have a new rubber roof molding with integral rain channel. If it has to be removed for any reason, begin by removing the molding at the rear with special tool 3107. Lever the molding up and work toward the front. Once the molding is completely free, inspect the plastic retainers and replace any that are damaged. Be sure all the clips are properly aligned before beginning reinstallation of the molding. Once they are properly aligned, mark their positions on the roof with a soft lead pencil. Next, coat the lip underneath with a suitable lubricant and begin installation at the rear of the car. Position the molding with a 2 millimeter gap at the C-pillar, the B-pillar on two-door models. Press in the lower rubber edge, then continue to install the molding by driving it into position with special tool number 3126. As you continue the installation, be careful to only strike the molding next to the pencil marks that you made earlier, or you'll distort the molding.